Cooking. Cooking is a ritual. Cooking is kind of a worship. You do it every day. 2, 3 times a day, people have to eat in your family. Make it an enjoyable opportunity. You cannot go bam, 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 and food is ready. Sometimes food needs time. It needs time so all the flavors can come together. So put your music on, get your nice cup of coffee or a glass of wine, and create. And everybody's going to thank you for it. I hope you have grateful people in your family, because cooking that you have to do every day, it's not so easy as so many people think. Just to decide what to cook is a big thing. So enjoy the journey, enjoy cooking, enjoy doing things for your family, and you will be blessed.